Don't throw away your eggshells. This fizzy mixture may help your orchid produce new growth and look healthier than ever. Your orchid could reward you with lush blooms. All you need are the shells from 3 eggs. First, crack 3 eggs and save the shells. Eggshells are rich in calcium and other minerals, which is why they have long been used in homemade plant care remedies. Next, rinse the shells thoroughly with clean water, removing any remaining membrane from the inside. Once they are clean, spread them out on a paper towel and allow them to dry completely. When the shells are fully dry, place them in a grinder and process them into a very fine powder. Transfer the powder to a jar and pour in about 3.4 fluid ounces of vinegar. Within moments, you'll notice vigorous fizzing, foamy bubbles, and plenty of tiny air bubbles. This is a natural reaction in which the minerals contained in the eggshells gradually dissolve into the solution. Once the mixture is ready, measure out 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared liquid. Then add it to 1 quart of water and mix thoroughly. You can use this solution to water your orchid. Alternatively, pour it into a spray bottle and lightly mist the stems and aerial roots of the plant. Another option is to soak a cotton pad in the solution and gently wipe the orchid's leaves. With regular use, the plant may begin to look healthier, produce new growth, and develop additional flower spikes. As a result, your orchid may regain its beautiful appearance and reward you with vigorous growth and abundant blooms. Encourage your orchid to grow and bloom. This is a natural, eco-friendly fertilizer you can prepare at home in just a few minutes. Take 4 mandarins. Peel each one, but don't throw the peels away. They are the most important part. Mandarin peels provide natural compounds that support roots and leaves. They contain essential oils and trace minerals that improve the plant's overall condition and help with regeneration. Place the peels in a tall container and add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping protect the roots from rot and supporting their recovery. Pour in about 17 fluid ounces of warm, but not hot water and mix well. Transfer everything to a jar, seal it tightly, and let it sit for about 6 hours so the ingredients can infuse into the water. After that, strain the liquid thoroughly through a sieve and cheesecloth. This is important to make sure no small particles remain. Pour the finished concentrate into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. Once a month, prepare a soak for your orchid. Pour about 34 fluid ounces of settled water into a bowl and add 5 tablespoons of the mixture. Place the pot in the solution for 15 to 20 minutes. The roots will gradually absorb the liquid and take in everything they need. This natural fertilizer strengthens the root system, improves leaf condition, and can clearly stimulate the orchid to produce new shoots and flowers. Give your orchids these leaves, and they will bloom all year round. They will amaze you with large, beautiful flowers, so many that you'll lose count. New buds will keep appearing, and stems will grow fuller each day. You'll also see plenty of new, healthy roots. The right fertilizer will not only strengthen your orchids, but also stimulate their blooming. Used regularly, it works wonders. A simple yet powerful fertilizer can be made from these leaves, bay leaves. Use about 10 of them, crush them, and place them in a container. Add 3 tablespoons of rice, then pour in half a liter of boiling water. Cover the container and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. After that, blend the mixture and strain the liquid through a sieve. Add 2.5 liters of water. Use this fertilizer to water your orchids, making them healthier, stronger, and full of blooms. This solution is rich in essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. You can also wipe or spray orchid leaves with this fertilizer. No matter how you use it, your orchid will thrive, grow beautifully, and bloom abundantly. Just 1 teaspoon of this spice is enough for orchids to burst into bloom. This trick is used by orchid growers. Thanks to it, their flowers bloom all year long. Yellow leaves and wilted stems can be a sign of dangerous fungi. It turns out that garlic is a secret ingredient that works perfectly as fertilizer for orchids. It contains many minerals such as phosphorus, iron, and potassium. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which act like a protective umbrella against insects and mites. Take 3 cloves of garlic and crush them through a press. Then pour 1 liter of water over it and leave it overnight. The next day, pour the mixture into the pot. After 30 minutes, pour out the excess fertilizer. Garlic water can also be poured into a spray bottle and used to mist the leaves. The smell of garlic and its antifungal properties protect the plant from diseases and pests. For busy people, there is also a simple recipe using granulated garlic. Just add 1 teaspoon of the spice to 1 liter of water. Then mix the solution and water the plants with it. And that is it. Garlic infusions are used not only for protection, but also help support growth and flowering. Garlic works as a nutrient source. It contains active substances and essential nutrients. It is enough to fertilize orchids with it at least once every 2 weeks for them to start blooming again. It is the only fertilizer I use for my orchids. They are literally bending under the weight of the flowers. I'm making orchid compresses, and it's developing more and more buds. With each passing year, it's getting more flower stems. The secret to growing such orchids is proper care. So don't throw away the banana peels after eating a banana. They're an incredibly valuable organic fertilizer for orchids. Banana peel contains plenty of potassium, which stimulates the flowers to bloom. You can use it for orchids every 2 weeks. It will nourish the leaves, strengthen the roots, and make the orchids bloom abundantly. Even just wiping the orchid leaves with a banana peel is incredibly useful. The leaves will become shiny and have a beautiful green color because of it. This way, you'll provide them with the necessary nutrients. To encourage bud development, use banana peel in another way. Cut it into smaller pieces. Pay attention to the flower stems and where new buds and flower shoots might appear. Take a piece of banana peel and frog clips. Wrap the banana around that spot. Such a compress will deliver the necessary nutrients exactly where they're needed. It will stimulate the orchids to produce new shoots and flowers. Thanks to these regular compresses, the orchids bloom like those of the best breeders. Remove the dressing after 6 hours. That's all. Repeat the procedure after 2 weeks. With this method, your orchids will quickly grow new roots and abundant flowers. You'll never throw them away again. Start by examining your orchid. If its roots are dry, woody, or completely missing, it's time to act. Carefully trim all the dried out parts with scissors, making sure not to damage healthy tissue. This helps the orchid absorb nutrients and water more effectively. Next, disinfect the plant. Add 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide to a bottle of water. Hydrogen peroxide effectively kills bacteria and fungi that can hinder root growth and cause infections. Close the bottle, shake well, and spray the leaves and remaining roots generously. Let the orchid dry for a while. Now take a soft cloth and cut a wide strip from it. This will help retain moisture. Wrap the cloth around the lower part of the orchid, making sure it only covers the woody section. After wrapping, tuck the end of the cloth inside to keep it secure. Take a plastic cup and place the wrapped orchid inside. Pour water into the cup, just enough to soak the cloth, but not touch the plant itself. This is crucial, as the orchid will absorb moisture only through the damp cloth, stimulating root growth without the risk of rotting. Within a week, you'll see your orchid developing strong, healthy roots. This simple trick will bring your orchids back to life.